from Columbus, Ohio. This is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, welcome to the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about business credit cards. Some are personal guarantee, some are not personal guarantee. If you guys have been following me, you should see about 6 to 7 months ago, I showed I got, in 4 months, a new LLC. I got $40K in business gas cards in 4 months. So today I'm going to be showing you guys all the different business credit cards that I got. $370,000 in credit lines in literally like 6 months, 7 months or so for a brand new LLC. Keep in mind, some are personal guarantee, but a bulk are not. So without further ado, let's get into it. But before I do, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. You don't want to miss the future content that I have coming out. And make sure you smash the thumbs up. So let's get into it. First one is the Divi corporate card. That's a no personal guarantee. I have actually $150,000, but I opted to only get $75,000 credit line because the reward system, if you don't use at least 30% of the credit line per month, then you don't actually get the rewards. So I can't spend, $50,000 a month, so I opted to do the $75,000. Okay, next is Row. Row, I'm going to be making a video about soon. Row is only good for those that have $50,000 or more in your bank account and spending high amount per month. I'll make a video about that. I don't want to touch too much on that, but it is no personal guarantee. I have $15,000 limit, but again, I don't want to talk too much about that because it's more made for the higher limits, higher level. Then we're going to be talking about Terpago. It's $10,000 limit. It's a corporate card, no personal guarantee. Every month, you have to pay back every month, but you can get revolving terms over time. Next is the Business Solutions BP gas card. It's $2,500 I have for that particular card. It can only be used at BP gas stations for fuel and maintenance. Next card is the Corpay 1 card. It can be used for anything, and that's a Corpay MasterCard. I have currently $30,000 limit. I can actually get whatever I wanted. If I wanted $50,000, it's no problem. But on average, I spend about $15,000 on that particular card. That's really like a net 51 to net 55 day term. So you have net 30 and then you get 21 days to pay back. That is going to be a personal guarantee for that particular card, but it is underwritten through a lot of the gas cards that are FleetCor. Okay. Next is the Adb Gas card. That's I have $4,500 weekly limit. So if you do that, that's like $18,000 a month. I don't really use it very much, but Adb, that's a good gas card. That one particularly doesn't report right now. They've been reporting. Now they're not reporting on the business credit side, but hopefully they'll get back. The Lowe's for Pro, that's underwritten through Synchrony Bank. I have a limit of $6,500, and that is, a lot of people think it's net 30, but it's actually like a net 60 because they give you extended terms. So it's like a net 60, and it's through Synchrony Bank. I originally got it for $3,500, but I recently did a limit increase. So a lot of these cards have actually increased the limit. So like the Lowe's, I got a limit increase, now it's $6,500. Next is Axe Pilot Flying J. It's $800, but it's a net 3 days. It's not that great of a card, but I just want to put it out there. Next is the Universal Premium Fleet Card. That is underwritten through FleetCor. It does report to Experian Business Credit. I only have it as a $600 limit because that was my first FleetCor card under this business, okay? And it was a secured deposit for that one, but that opened the doors for many other FleetCor cards. You'll see further in the video. Next is the American Express Business Green Card. That is a personal guarantee. I have a limit with the green card, business green card, of $20,000 pay over time limit. There is no preset spending limit, but the pay over time limit is $20,000. But it is Experian, and it doesn't report to your personal credit. It's only reporting to business credit bureaus like the Small Business Financial Exchange. So let's move on. Ramp. We got Ramp here, $13,000 limit. I'm saying 13,000 because that was the last limit I saw a couple days ago. Ramp, the thing with Ramp is they adjust your limit literally every 24 hours. It's going to be based on your business bank account, on how much you have in your bank account. So it's going to be 10 to 20% of what you have in your bank account. If you have 60,000 in your bank account, you're going to have like a $10 to $15,000 limit. Okay. And then we have the Phillips Conoco 76. I have 2,500 there. It is a revolving, underwritten through Synchrony, reports to Experian. So that's good. But don't revolve it, because if you revolve it, it is high APR, 25% about. But it's a good card to get you in with other financial cards with Synchrony Bank. Next is the Best Buy Business Advantage. I have 11,000 now with them. I started off, I think, with like 4,000 or so. I've done 2 limit increases. It is a net 30 account. It does not report to any business credit bureaus, unfortunately. It's underwritten through MSTS, which is TrapPay. But getting in good with them will increase your chances for other credit approvals, because they underwrite other credit products that you definitely could take advantage of. Okay, so that's 11,000 there. Then you have the American Express Gold Business Card. That's 14,000. Again, that one's going to be a PG. Every American Express card that I'm going to be talking about today is going to be a personal guarantee. I just wanted to bring it up because I would say 80% of my cards are no personal guarantee, with the exception of the American Express cards. But still, the American Express cards do not report to your personal credit at all. You can carry a balance, it's okay. All right, so the American Express Gold Business, that one, I have a $14,000 spending limit for pay over time, 30,000 preset spending limit on that particular card. All right. Next is going to be Jeeves. I have a $10,000 limit with Jeeves. Jeeves is one of my favorite ones because you literally, it's a net 30 account, but you really have like 40 days or so to pay back. But they give you a lot of benefits and cash back. So I've heavily promoted Jeeves. They have me a $10,000 limit. I've never requested any higher than that. I'm sure I could get higher if I wanted to. The Brex corporate card, I have a $16,000 limit. That one, it's a little difficult because you have to actually show quite a bit in your bank account, over $250,000, to be able to get approved for that. So I'm going to kind of skip over that one. But you can get the Brex corporate card, the prepaid card, like I've promoted in the past, and you sign up with my link and you'll get $250 Amazon gift card signing up with my link. Keep in mind, I will put as many links as I can for these particular cards in the comment section below. Whatever ones that you want to apply for, use my links. It helps support the channel, and some of them will actually help you get a better deal when you sign up and faster application process. Anyways, let's get right back to it. So then the new card is the RoadFlex. RoadFlex is a weekly gas card, and there's not really much requirements for that card. It reports to Experian Business Credit. They'll give you anywhere from like $1,000 to $10,000 a week, And as you move on, you can get extended terms for every 14 days and every 30 days, okay? And we're kind of the exclusive for RoadFlex right now on Get Business Credit. So definitely apply. I think we already got over 900 people approved in the past 1 week. Next is Penney's commercial card. I have 2,500. I can't buy much with Penney, so I've never requested a limit increase. But keep in mind, this one does not report to any business credit bureau or personal, and it's not a personal guarantee. But it is underwritten through Synchrony Financial. And the reason why it's important to get a card like this is because it helps you build that interbanking relationship with Synchrony Financial to get the Sam's Club Business MasterCard and Amazon Business Line of Credit, as well as like Lowe's. Next is the Clear Card. I have 15,000 with Clear Card. Typical terms are net 7, net 14. I've built up the relationship with Clear Card. Now I have net 30. So it's just going to depend on your payback schedule and building up that relationship. But I have net 30 with a $15,000 monthly. Then WEX, the Shell Fleet Plus card, $10,000 limit. That's underwritten through WEX. Reports to the business credit bureaus. Next is the American Express Business Platinum card. That's $20,000 pay over time with no preset spending limit. So it's kind of like unlimited within reason. All right. And then next I got the American Express Business Cash card, $7,500. It's an actual credit card. So it's $7,500 limit. It is personal guarantee. Keep in mind, like I said, all American Express cards are personal guarantee. All American Express business cards, they don't report to your personal credit unless you default. Next is a Speedway Super Fleet Corporate Card, $5,000 limit. It's the MasterCard. That one is also a net 30, underwritten through FleetCor. So that one also helps you build up your Experian business credit. Next is the WEX Black Fleet Card, $4,500 limit. It's also net 30. You can buy hotels and resorts with that one, fuel maintenance. And yeah, that one's at $4,500. It reports to Dun and Bradstreet and Experian. Next is the American Express Business Plum Card. Underrated card. You don't get many perks with it, but you do get 1.5 to 2% cash back if you pay 10 days early. It's a net 60-day card, so just keep in mind, if you charge $1,000 today, you need to pay it back within 50 days, and you'll actually get the 1.5% cash back. But you don't have to pay it back in the 50 days. You can wait until 60 days. You just won't get that cash back. All right, so that's the American Express Plum Card. It's underrated. There's no other perks with it, but it is underrated if you want to carry a balance for about 2 months or so. Next is the Walmart Community Card that's reported to Experian. This one, I think they just recently stopped the applications due to my recent video. So I'll give you guys the update about that, but currently I have 3,500 with Walmart Community Business Card. It reports to Experian. Next is the American Express Marriott Bonvoy Business Card, $9,000 limit. All the American Express cards are going to report to Dun and Bradstreet and Experian Business. It just takes anywhere from 60 to 90 days for that to happen. Next is the Capital on Tap. This one's also like no personal guarantee. I have $7,500 limit. Everybody kind of knows Capital on Tap. That reports to Experian. Next is the BP Business Solutions MasterCard. $6,500 limit, reports to Experian. Underwritten also through FleetCor. Next is the Hatch card. This one's kind of phased out, but I still have the limit, so that's why I wanted to put it up here. I have many other accounts, but this is the most I could do for this video. My other office, I have probably like 10 or 15 other accounts or cards. This is the most I could do for this video. But the Hatch card, $2,500, it's no PG. ConocoPhillips, this is similar to the other card, $2,500. Amazon Business Line of Credit, it's a net 55. $18,000 limit. You guys keep in mind, I started with $3,500, increased it to over $10,000, and then just recently did an increase to $18,000. Now I'm at $18,000. Next is the Fuelman Business MasterCard, Fleet Business MasterCard, also underwritten through Fleet Corps. Also reports to Experian monthly, $10,000 limit. So with all that being said, you guys look at my last video, or not last video, but a video I did like 7 months ago. I did this all new, so you guys can see step by step. I did $40K in 4 months. Brand new business, brand new LLC. Now we are 12 months later. So LLC, 12 months old. Got all these. Yes, some are personal guaranteed, the American Express are, but the rest are no personal guarantee for my case. Now I'm at $370,000 credit limit. If you actually total everything, I think it's about $500,000. But this is all I can show today. $370,000 credit limit. I don't use any of it. I rarely use, much of it. Less than 5% per month. I rotate it and use it as I need to. But this video is more so for you guys to understand that you don't need to be in business for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. You don't need to. My business, I own several businesses, but this particular business that I got all these cards for, $400,000 line of credit with all these cards, it's the YouTube channel, 1 year old. So with all that being said, you guys take care. Put all the comments in the comment section. That any questions you may have, put it in the comment section, and I'll respond to those. Or just email support@joshvanhorn.com. Again, support@joshvanhorn.com. Reason I made this video is I want you guys to understand that no matter what your credit situation is or what your business is, give you guys hope. You can get this. If I can do it, you can do it. Okay? You guys take care. Love y'all. Stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the thumbs up. Alright? Bye-bye.